Video Snapshot feature offers a simple and easy way to capture and combine movie clips from your adventures. You can move or remove clips from your movie sequence by simply using the touchscreen to edit the sequence. Explore new shooting angles and easily control the camera with a 7.7cm vari-angle clear view LCD2 touchscreen. When taking a picture using the live view, simply touch the screen to focus or take the picture. For a different look or style, you can experiment with the creative filters like monochrome or miniature and preview the effect before you take the shot. To get started, the 700D features Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, which analyzes the scene and selects the best settings in a range of conditions to create the optimal image, allowing you to concentrate on taking the shot. Capture fast action with the 9 cross-type AF points, which track your subject as it moves, and the 5 frames per second help to capture the moment. The on-screen feature guide provides useful information about the features and shooting modes of the camera to help you achieve the look you're after. Tackle tricky lighting conditions with HDR backlight control and handheld night scene modes. HDR backlight control captures 3 shots and then combines them to create an image that has minimal loss of highlight detail and shadow detail, even in backlit conditions. Handheld night scene mode shoots 4 continuous shots and combines them to prevent camera shake, allowing you to shoot high-quality night scenes without a tripod. Shoot low-noise images in darker conditions using the ISO 100 to 12,800 sensitivity range, which can be extended to ISO 25,600 for those times when you want to capture the atmosphere indoors or outdoors at night. The EOS 700D is part of the EOS system, one of the most comprehensive systems of digital SLRs, interchangeable lenses and accessories, and is trusted and used by professionals from around the world. EOS 700D. Step into DSLR photography and let your creativity grow.